Hey, how's it going? So, boys and I were working on the boat the other day, trying to clean it up with the pressure washer, and I flex sealed the boat, bottom of the boat, about 15 years ago, and most of that flex seal, it held up pretty well for a decade and a half, but it's really hard to get off. I have a 1500 PSI Greenworks pressure washer that I've had for a bunch of years, and it didn't get a lot of the stuff off. It's just not powerful enough. So I picked up this 2000 PSI Greenworks pressure washer. I've been using Greenworks pressure washers for about 10 years. I've only had 2 of them so far in that 10 years, so they seem to last a long time, so I wanted to go with the same brand. So I'll show you what you get when you get the 2000 PSI pressure washer, and then we'll try it on the boat. Alright, assembly was pretty simple. I think it only took about 5 minutes. Hose attaches right here to the front. The pressure washer hose attaches right there to the back. There's also a, you can see that. There's also a siphon for soap. I probably won't use that. I like using the foam cannon. On-off switch is right here on the top of the unit. It also comes with cord and hose storage. I have a Flexzilla aftermarket hose. I'll be putting quick disconnects on there. I like that better. It does come with 3 nozzles. It comes with a soap nozzle, a 25 degree and a 40 degree nozzle. And it also comes with a metal wand, which is an upgrade from my other Greenworks products that have a plastic wand. So we'll see how it does on the boat and blasting off paint. Alright, operation of this thing is pretty simple. Once you have your hose connected and the wand connected, I'm using these quick disconnects. Just go ahead and turn the switch, a quarter turn. Go ahead, bud. And the pressure washer's on. Alright, pressure washer comes with 3 nozzles. Comes with a 25 degree nozzle. And it comes with a 40 degree nozzle, which is good for washing cars. It also comes with a soap nozzle, but I don't plan on using it. But for this project, I purchased the turbo nozzle right there. And we'll try that out. Alright, it's a few weeks after I filmed that. It's finally summer in Minnesota, so you have to pardon the bug zapper going on. But what do we think of the 2000 PSI Greenworks pressure washer? Well, first thought is it's not as compact as my previous pressure washer, so it takes up a little bit more of a footprint in my garage. Not a big deal, but this thing handles everything we've thrown at it. It's great for sidewalks, really powered off a lot of the paint and the Flex Seal on the bottom of the boat, whereas the other pressure washer just got it wet. You probably saw the clip of that. As for washing cars, I use this thing a couple times a week to wash cars. We drive down a lot of dirt roads here, so keeping cars clean keeps them rust-free. I really like it. Haven't had any troubles with it. I've had it for about a month and a half now. Really solid. So would I recommend it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a little bit more powerful pressure washer that can handle decks, siding, and sidewalks, this is it. It's still gentle enough to do cars, lawn furniture, things like that. Really like it. There's some smaller options out there, but that I saw, but they weren't 2000 PSI. I really do like the onboard storage. The metal nozzle that it came with is really fantastic. Huge upgrade over the Greenworks black ones. I've had to buy a few aftermarket ones over the years. I've had a few Greenworks pressure washers. I think it's my second one, so I know they last quite a while, and I imagine this one will last a while as well. So if you're in the market for a new pressure washer, I'll throw a link down below. I got this off of Amazon, of course. And it's really solid. Anyway, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please put it down below. And as always, thanks for watching.